Hi everyone, today we are going to make boat. For this, first you can take a square paper. Here I am taking a square paper of 15 centimeters and you can fold it to half. You can fold it to half to the middle. Again, you can fold it to half like this. It will come in a square shape. This open part, we can fold three parts of the paper to our side diagonally and crease it well. Remaining one part of the paper to fold other side diagonally. You can fold and you can open the square shape and flatten it out to the opposite direction and you can rotate the paper to opposite direction and you can pull both sides here and here. You can pull both sides to make the boat. Okay. You can pull like this, okay, and you can press folded lines. You can press. That's it, our boat is ready. See here, it's very simple to make. You can open the boat like this. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Take care everyone. Bye.